Hey, welcome back to part 2. Hope you enjoyed the first part. So I'll continue on now with the second part. But if you like, if you're ready, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. So if you like and subscribe, helps to see this channel to grow. So let's get back into the cars. Oh, Beetle's just here. Cortina just here. Lovely inside. I don't know if you can see that too well, but there's the back on that Mustang, which you heard roar earlier on. Oh dear, oh dear. I've been drawn to another car. Ooh. 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 This might be my new cover photo. Oh, this will be my cover photo for part 2, I think. Maybe even for part 1. Banana. Look, that's clickbait now. It's 5cc AMG. Ooh, this is nice. Red leather. Red leather. Just like my 190. Oh yes. This could very well be a genuine AMG Hammer. At the very least, in a replica. Sounds like there may be thunder in the distance. Oh, very nice. Lovely patina in it, and then left the floor patinaed. And this is showcasing in the back. Yeah, it's just cool. Don't know if you can see that too well. But yeah, it's a little tiny showcasing in the. Looks like extra to the patina, doesn't it? Very nice. Show you inside. Modern Raider, but I think we can forget about that. Not really anything major, really, is it? BMG car here, Rover. No, P5, I'm guessing. I'm not too good on my old Rover. 3.5 litre. Very nice. I'm not the best with my old Rovers, that's for sure. Very good old merch. Very good of old merch. That's one thing I am. Very nice. I feel nice in the back, looking at them hit the visual rear controls in this one, but nonetheless. It's a very nice Rolls. Corvette Stingray, I believe. Very nice car. GTI. I shall film this matter, as you don't see him anymore really. Lock and tear, well looked after at least, look at it. Immaculate inside. I shall give this one some recording time. Very nice. Both used. Essentially by boys. Another 190E over, which we will take a good look at later on. But not just yet. It's nice. It's not as nice as that potential AMG Hammer. Although probably not a real one, but nonetheless still very nice. Lovely Pontiac here. Very big nose.
I think someone's got a fucking a hash farm.
Hey, another good free, nice condition. Chevrolet here. Tranny cam. The bugs do like these bright colours apparently. Both very nice. Quite simplistic inside, but then there's nothing bad. Have a look at that inside. It's lovely. Look at that.
That's a black and white.
But one thing I do love about these American cars is people genuinely tend to look after them very well and bring them up. It's so nice condition. That's evidence. huge cars. But you got two 190s parked in length with this. And that's quite clever. I wanted to keep it looking original, and if you hidden the radio inside the glove box, it's a very clever idea, isn't it? Very clever. I don't know if it's factory or not, but oh, so I don't think I would do just Nick. Actually, the last thing I would do, I think I would put chrome pipes on the back, chrome A&G pipes. Look, no, I think that would get off just nice having the chrome A&G pipes on the back. That's cute for lineup.
Yeah, because they took selfies together, didn't they? Like, face to face, yeah.
Lovely Mustang. Nice little Alpha just here. There we go. Show you this 190. Not too bad. Aftermarket code brake light, like the original Blue Magic speakers. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Here's a very nice lineup of old Vauxhalls. Astra, Saloon, quite rare now. Notable Saloon, no, Notable. Rover Saloon, what I meant to say. Again, quite rare now. Cavalier.
If you can get out and go and park behind him, should be alright.
Lovely, great.
You want your child keys back? Who's pushing the part out?
An Escort Estate. Look, Estate convertible time. You've got the controls in the back for the rear windows. Power windows as well. There you go. Like a load camper. We're going to Neat in a minute. Look quite interesting. A few mini cutting shop type things along there, but definitely got along to them. Don't you, Ryan? Very nice indeed. Zodiac. First on the show, I think. Nice Fiesta there as well. Triumph and another Mustang. And like BMW, I may get a good viewing of. And MGs along here. Getting a bit more older along here, a bit more classic. Getting lovely Mark II Escort. That angle looks quite nice. D-bumper at the front, bit of a different look. Triumph. Nice little Jag and another Capri, and this one is a Laker. This one may get a look. Now we're on to the military vehicle lineup. Now this is a very popular military vehicle, the old Willys Jeep. In lovely condition as well. Very nice Jeep seats these are. Spade over here, he's got stuck. Again, very simple controls, but easy to use. Yeah, I don't think he can be overly comfortable to sit on either, but it had this front tow hitch, if you like to call it, so it could be towed behind a different vehicle if it got stuck potentially, or as you wanted to tow it. Broke down maybe. That's a little trick carrier. If only you could smell how nice it smells. Unfortunately you can't smell what I'm smelling. And it actually smells really nice in here. Might get a few pictures actually of the whole lineup, all of them. On how many people actually, or how many troops actually are using this. Little winch on the front. Big on American trucks. Jerry can there as well. With your door strap so you don't fall out. There you go. Just alright, that one. Notice quite a few more minis.
Probably 30 degrees in the garage.
There you go. Notice this. Mustangs, this isn't in the show park at all. This is in the standard car park. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Of course I didn't want to park this in the show area. That is very nice. Okay, so surprisingly it's actually done it on one battery in this camera, so been out for a while. So hopefully got quite a nice bit of footage for you all to watch. If you want to see this video on the drive, and I'll see you in the next video.